feel like this is me today because I do not know how to feel. Okay, hi. Today is my last day in this student residence, apartment, whatever you wanna call it. But today is my last day here. And my room is a mess, okay? Like, I don't think it's in the condition to like show anybody because there's like stuff there. Everything is packed there. I still need to pack some stuff like my skincare and stuff like that. I need to still like pack all those, but I didn't because I'm gonna do them now, and I also need to like straighten my hair. So like some stuff is remaining, but most of the things are like packed, as you can see, like the sauces and stuff like that. And there's stuff still out because I do not know where to keep them. I'm still like waiting for like some boxes. So like it's like I'm like halfway done with the packing or what. Just took a shower, so I don't know. So now is the time to like get kind of ready or like kind of do skincare. I'm not gonna like do my makeup right now because I still need to like obviously pack some stuff. So doing makeup right now would not be a good like idea. So I'm just gonna do like my skincare, and I think I'm gonna straighten my hair because that takes a lot of time, and I need to like also put my straightener in the bags so that if I like I'm gonna straighten, do my skincare first, and that's it. Oh my god, okay, I need to take my bag. Okay, I got my skincare bag. It's a mess. My room is such a mess right now. Like, okay, let's do this. This is the only angle that can work right now, so I am so sorry. So as I said, today is my last day here, and I thought that I would be really happy because personally I did not really like enjoy my stay here. Like, I did not like this room, and I think I'll make a whole different video on why I did not like it. But in short, I did not like the room, and that's why I was like very excited, and I was like dreading this day that okay, I'm finally going to leave and stuff like that. But now that the day has come, so let's see what happens. But now that the day has finally like arrived, I'm not feeling sad as such. I was just thinking about, you know, the things that have happened right here in this room. For like example, I started my YouTube channel again in this room. I like started my content journey as well here. I lived alone for the first time in my life, and that happened in this room. Also a lot of breakdowns and a lot of realizations, because when you live alone, that's all you do, right? Like, you are literally facing yourself every day. So a lot of like realizations, a lot of like thinking, a lot of growth has happened in this room. I don't know, like that's what I feel for myself. I don't know if you guys feel that. So I was just feeling a little bit nostalgic, even though I've not liked this room for a long time, and I am happy to be leaving this room because of my reasons. I still think that it kind of played a big part in my life, because I learned how to like deal with things by myself, like be it a minor issue or a major issue. I had no one to help me, so the only person who was helping me was me. So in that way, I learned how to like become a little independent. I am independent. I am good at living alone, I will say, but I was not sure, and at times I felt like I wish I had somebody to help me in some things. But still, I feel like it has taught me a lot. It was definitely like a learning experience, and I'm so glad to like have lived this, you know. So yes, that's what I was feeling, and yeah, it felt kind of weird too, because like now this room is like all bland meaning that I have removed my posters or whatever I had, like all the little details that made this room me are now out. So it just looks like a bland room with like no personality or whatever. Like it's just a room right now, and it feels weird. It feels like I kind of like made this room into me, and now I have to take this out and do this to like, and then I have to like take all of that out and then just like leave. I don't think I'm making any sense right now, but it's just what I'm feeling right now basically. So yes, I don't know, I am excited for my new journey, though. Like I'm gonna meet new people, I'm gonna have a new room and stuff like that. But still, like, since this was like my first room where I lived alone, far away, in a new country, in a place where nobody speaks the language and stuff like that, this will still be like kind of special to me, even though I never thought that I would think about this room like this. And yeah, I have my reasons for that. Like I said, the reason why I don't like this room, I'll make a video on it. But yeah, but I met so many people here, and I have some memories here. I remember during my exam I was so stressed, so like I was literally like crying, and like it was like not normal crying, it was like screaming crying, and I'm pretty sure at the time that everybody heard it. Like I'm pretty sure like if you were just walking out of my door, you would have heard it, because I was just crying that loudly. And that was one of my bad experiences, but it has taught me now. So that's why like that was like me during the first semester, but like during my second semester I was way chill about it. I was like not crying basically. But yeah, my first semester was so bad because I was literally like so stressed. I wanted to go home and all that bad stuff. But I'm so proud of myself that I went through those. Now this might sound like it's not a big deal, but for me I think it's kind of like a big deal, because I was literally experiencing living alone for the first time, and for me to have handled it throughout without any help was so great. I mean, obviously I had people who I could like talk to and stuff like that, but still I did have people, but like at the end of the day nobody would like help me to that extent. So all I had was myself. So yeah, that's the thing. I'm gonna try to straighten. Okay, my hair is actually kind of wet still, so I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna straighten it.